A vector is equal to root 2 I caret plus j caret plus k caret. Angle made by A vector with x, y and z axis respectively are. Here x component of A, that is root 2, y component of A, that is 1, and z component of A, that is 1. Coefficient of I, coefficient of j and coefficient of k. Now from direction cosine, cos alpha is equal to ax upon A, where alpha is the angle made by A vector with x-axis. So root 2 upon, now what is the value of A? Here value of A is square root. Root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1. So root 2 upon 2, 1 upon root 2. So here alpha is 45 degree. Angle made by A vector with x-axis 45. Now beta. Beta is the angle made by A vector with y-axis. From direction cosine, cos beta is equal to ay upon A. It means 1 upon 2. So beta is equal to 60 degree. Now cos gamma, where gamma is the angle made by A vector with z-axis. From direction cosine, cos gamma is equal to az upon A. Az is 1, A is 2. So gamma is equal to 60. So answer is 45 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. Thank you.